on lovely Rockaway. Pinwheel.
I'm opening this, sir.
As it fades into the distance. Whoa! Helicopter down. Do you people know what you're doing? I'm not going to be around here when one of you gets your face burned off. Come on, man, let's see some fucking action!
Yes, yes.
Out of the mist, the car comes. Yeah. Expert film footage by Ian Brand as he captures another stupendous explosion. And Andy's ready to launch it into the air.
What's this, Daddy?
Whoa! Do you have a comment to make about that, Andy? Very good, very eloquent.
See, it's the aerodynamics which really get me. It's the aerodynamics of the physiological plane which really get me. See, these physiological plane out, after you throw them, you spin them and you get a little bit of torque on them. The torque makes them spin.
The torque,
you know, and then once they pick up the torque, they gotta pick it up. They gotta buy it first. Once they buy the torque, then they start taking it off.
They buy torque in America.
They buy torque in America, but in Japan they just get torque.
In Russia, you don't get any torque. Whoa.
Do it. Come down there with a camera, down by my cousin.
Alright, let's do it.